So my most favorite ingredient, all of you know, is glutathione. I do recommend IV orally. Now we have something which you can apply. Glutaweis is actually the first and the most effective brand which has highly active ingredients which actually work along with glutathione. So it is recommended for various skin types and various skin concerns. Me being super busy with my work and travel, this has come really handy, and you don't need to pack 10 bottles of different skincare types. A serum can easily last you 8 weeks at minimum, and moisturizer easily 10 to 12 weeks. Whenever we start a skincare, we want to see visible change. I think ideally 21 days is the best time when it comes to twice a day application, and I've really seen some amazing results with a lot of my patients. It's actually available with us in our Worli and Juhu clinics. Do use it twice a day for 21 days, and I'm sure you're gonna be super happy.